Hi everybody, my name is Yancy, the speaker of Persian Pioneers team at Ventureland. We gathered to revitalize Iran's tourism industry by introducing an online reservation system and information website that helps foreign tourists visiting Iran. Actually, let me define the problem. Currently, when a foreign tourist wants to visit our country, Iran, there is no such comprehensive all-in-one centralized online database for comparing or reserving hotels, restaurants, flights. And if there is some, they are partially not comprehensive and also entire cost and directing reserving and also not comprehensive information. So after surveying more than 50 people, including some in-depth interviews with hotel owners, restaurant owners, and foreign tourists, and gathering the statistics, we have found that there is annually 700,000 tourists visiting Iran. Each one have cost on average about $500. And if we aim $10 of revenue for each tourist and just aiming 20% of the market, then we achieve an income of about $1,400,000. And after deducting some initial prediction of our cost, including promotion, 1/4 of this income would go to the cost, and so an advertising opportunity is in front of.
True.
And what about the product? Our product consists of a website, solely a website that customers see that. But of course, it consists of infrastructure and background that our contracts with our partners like hotels, restaurants, agencies, etc., medical centers. And the services that we offer in our website is a huge list, but we have prioritized them. So at first, one of the services that we are going to deliver to the customers is auto-ranking. Auto-ranking is that customers comment and rank or like historical places, restaurants, hotels, etc. And it would apply the auto-ranking of them, so each time customers can see high-ranking places, services, and so on. So it could lead to a social tourism. The other thing is integrating all channels into just one website. We, of course, would have a call center. We would have a possibility of email request, online reservation, online payment, and also an online survey for getting feedback from our customers. But we should integrate all of them into one, and it's done just by checking with the staff for doing each task received by email or others in just one day. The other thing that our website is working as that is it's an info center. Of medical centers in Iran, hotels, restaurants, historical places, religious places, and general info of cities. This is all about our product in just 2 minutes. So what about the business model? The value proposition that we deliver to our customers is just like all the benefits associated with other online services, that the convenience, isn't it? All of the tasks is able to be done in one step, one click, fast and instant comparison, and having access to all information in just some clicks. Also, this value proposition would be delivered to some customer segments. The customer segment that we have defined consists of all tourists visiting Iran. Mostly they visit Iran for holiday reasons, but there are also considerable percentage of business trips. There's also another fraction that's growing in recent years, and that's medical tourism. There are many patients that seeking for medical services visit Iran, mostly because of its cost and its quality. So this would be one of our most important customers. About our partners. Our partners are mostly tour agencies, hotel owners, restaurant owners, transportation services like airlines, etc. But besides these, we have medical centers that we could have as our partners, and it could become more and more important during the first 5 years as it's increasing. But with these partners, how is our revenue and our income? Our revenue model is currently focused on deducting the cost from our partners, but not our customers. We refer customers from our online website to our partners like hotel agencies, like hotel owners, travel agencies, etc. And we deduct just $10 per tourist or passenger from each hotel, restaurant, etc. Besides this, the revenue stream is like usage fee, and we are considering the online payment, instant online payment, but it's not possible at first because of the infrastructure needed, and also the weak infrastructure in Iran. We could do it by monthly transfer of money, maybe not online, with the contracted agency. The cost that should be deducted from this revenue, I have explained, can be categorized in 3 sections. The cost of website, cost of salaries of employees and staff, and also the promotion cost or advertisement. The cost of website includes website design, hosting, domain, and also it should be high because of very high class and world class website. But for the first years, we are intended to do it ourselves, and it's limited to just $800. For the salaries, we could reduce it by doing the call center tasks ourselves, the team members, and also making the contract ourselves by visiting hotel owners, etc., without hiring any other person. This would cost our salaries very much. And also the promotion. For the first at least, it's most suitable to apply the per-click ads, so like Google, etc. So it would lower our cost very much. And also we would have ads at lower rates for the first year, so we could cover these costs. At last, I'll talk about our team in just 1 minute. Our team consists of 4 persons after omitting some person near 3 or 4. We have reached a cohesive and coherent team consisting of me, Necmettin, Mojgan, Elnaz, and Mr. Omi. Mrs. Mojgan has a master's degree of industrial engineering from Tehran Polytechnic, the oldest polytechnic university of Iran, and with 20 years of experience as consultant. I, as a graduate of MBA from Tehran University, and also I have a bachelor in mechanical engineering, seeking teamwork skills and becoming familiar with teamwork. Mr. Omid, as a production engineering manager of the largest car manufacturing company of Iran, he has expertise in supply chain, in lean processes, and also the production. And as the last, our youngest member, Mrs. Elnaz, that
as an interesting point is the daughter of our leader, our team leader, Mrs. Moshkan. This daughter and mother have been the most active members of our team, and her daughter, Mrs. Elon, is currently undergraduate of Amitabha University of Technology, studying applied mathematics and taking teamwork skills, and also is considering starting off her own firm. Thank you for